Practice rounding these numbers to the nearest 10. And you can do them in any order you want, but we'll start on the left. In previous practice, you may have only been working with 2 digits, the numbers 0 to 99. Now the numbers are 3 and 4 digits, and we'll add something else to think about. When you pick a number to round, you have to click on the part you are rounding. Since we're rounding to tens, don't click on the hundreds and tens. Click over here on the tens and ones. When you're rounding, you focus on 2 numbers, and once you pick the right pair, this activity makes them easy to see. You've done this before. What is a better approximation? Rounding 68 up to 70? Or rounding 68 down to 60? Round up to 70. Notice that you won't have to enter the 400, so that'll save you some time. Just 2 digits to put in. 7, 0, and enter. Remember, you have to click on the part of the number that we are rounding. Don't click on 8,500, and don't click on 530. Just click right on 34. Round down to 30, and enter only 2 digits. We started out with easy ones to get our feet wet, but watch the next 2 examples which are, well, in a sense, special. Always make sure to click the part we're rounding. And there are 2 spaces for 2 digits. But let's think about it. By itself, 95 rounds up 5 steps to 100, which adds a digit. You've seen this situation before. Logically, 195 rounds up 5 steps to 200. Now we're adding that 100 to what's already there. 395 rounds up to 400. And 495 rounds up to 500. 3,495 rounds up to 3,500. We may start by focusing on only 2 numbers, but sometimes the number right before those has to bump up to the next value. We need to erase the 4 so we can put in the 5. And there's a special key to do just that. Place, which you may have seen in other practice. The place key backs up the number 1 digit, making a place for the 5. While I press the place key, watch the number at the top. Did you see it? Now enter 500. Cool. Take another look at what just happened. We focused on 95, but we need to take into account the 400 that is already there. Just 5 small steps up from 495 to 500. Keep in mind, we're still rounding to the nearest 10. Let's look at one last example. Focus on 97, so round up. But take into account the 900 that's already there, and 2 9s in a row. We are only 3 steps away from 7,000, so we need to erase 2 digits to make room for 2 more. To erase them both, press the place key twice. While I press the key, watch the number at the top. I'll press once, and again. Did you see it? This backs up the number 2 digits, making room for 7,000. Now enter 7, 0, 0. We're not there yet. 1 more 0, and done. Take another quick look at what just happened. We focused on 97, but we need to take into account what number is just 3 steps away, from 6,997 to 7,000. And we're still rounding to the nearest 10. All you need now is a little practice.